accident. So this guy stopped. I stopped. But these guys didn't stop, could not stop. So this is the left lane, this is the right lane. But that truck tried to avoid me from the right side, but still hit me. But I didn't hit anyone. This is the cars in the ditch. So that truck hit me on the right side, trying to avoid me. Look at these guys. Look at these guys. These cars. Look at these. This is my truck. My truck is okay. That truck hit me on the right side. Yeah. You see the trail? Holy fuck. This is the road right here. This is the right lane. I stopped. I didn't hit this guy. I stopped. But this guy was trying to avoid me from the right side. He was trying to avoid me, but he still hit me because he got pushed. But this is a big pile up over here. And look at these cars. And I still hear the noise banging in the back. But there is one car right here. Oh my God. You guys all right? You okay? Oh, hold on. 1 second, I'm coming. Hey, help me out to get these people out, bro. Oh my God.
Been fighting so long and so hard that they don't know what the they're doing.